Hi, my name is Angie Ismani, 36 years old, single with no kids. I am associate graduate with computer programming course in college. My work experience is I used to work before in Qatar. I serve 7 members of the family, 2 adults and 5 kids, age 14, 12, 10, 5 and 9-month-old baby. We are 2 nannies in the house, but I am responsible for taking care of the babies and the kids. But I also help washing clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house. And sometimes, not sometimes, usually they are scheduled for washing the car. Like every Saturday, we used to wash the car. And then I work also in Hong Kong. I serve 4 members of the family, uh, 2 adults and 2 kids, age 23 and 14. My main duties and responsibilities there is cleaning the house and do the laundry, and also the washing the car. And I used to clean the car every day because they have 3 cars. And also I do the ironing, and I also help my mom preparing the foods because she's not allowing me to cook. She's the one who make the food. I just prepare it, and then she is the one who make it. And if you hire me, I will finish my contract as long as you want me to stay. I want to come in Hong Kong to support my family financially. Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you choose me as a helper. I am a hardworking person. I will serve you. I will serve your family as my own. I will finish my contract and I will stay as long as you want me, as long as you need me. Thank you.